Have you ever felt like your business is stuck in the shadows? Today we're exploring the timeless truth about the power of advertising. If your growth feels sluggish and your competitors are streaking ahead, it might be that you are missing out on a key ingredient: effective advertising. But fear not, by the end of this video, you will not only grasp why advertising is always crucial, but also discover how it can be the perennial boost your business needs. Get ready for a journey where your business's potential knows no bounds. Simanye here. Welcome to SP Media Empire, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about why is advertising so important, and more specifically, why is advertising important for your business? Because I see most business owners and even marketers, they don't know why they're advertising. They just do it either way. If that's the approach that you have been taking, then by the end of this video you will have enough knowledge, as I will be giving you 9 reasons why advertising is important for your business. So let's get started. The first one, it's brand visibility. Think of advertising as your brand spotlight. In a world with endless choices, effective advertising ensures your brand not only stands out, but becomes something people remember. It's about making a mark that lasts. The second one, it's audience engagement. We aren't just selling a product. Advertising is about building relationships. When you engage with your audience, you're creating loyalty. It's like building a community around your brand. I simply mean people who genuinely connect with what you're offering. The third, market competition. In today's crowded marketplace, advertising is your secret weapon. It's not just about keeping up with the competition, it's about dominating. It helps you capture attention and assert your presence in the market. The fourth one, business growth. Let's talk about the numbers. Advertising isn't just about spending money, it's a strategic investment for growth. It's like fuel for a business engine, attracting new customers, reaching more people, and propelling your business forward. The fifth one, it's brand credibility. Trust is everything. Consistent and compelling advertising helps you showcase your values. It's about delivering on promises, establishing trust, building credibility with your audience. The sixth one, highlighting USP. Your unique selling propositions are your superpowers. Advertising is the canvas to showcase what makes you unique. It's about setting yourself apart and make sure your audience gets why you're special. Number 7, measurable results. Let's get into the analytics. Advertising provides measurable results. It's not just about putting out ads. It's about tracking success, using data, and refining your strategies for even better outcomes. Number 8, adapting to trends. Stay cool and stay relevant. Advertising is a dynamic process that evolves with trends. Adapting ensures your brand remains fresh and resonates with your audience, keeping them excited about what you have to offer. The last one, future outlook. Let's gaze into the crystal ball. Investing in innovative advertising strategies is your key to staying ahead. It's about anticipating and embracing what lies ahead to keep your brand at the forefront. Those are the 9 reasons why advertising is important for your business. So if you've been watching and you haven't invested in advertising, it's time to reflect. By neglecting this crucial aspect, you're limiting your potential. Picture the growth, the recognition, and the success you could achieve with a well-crafted advertising strategy. Are you feeling pumped? Are you ready to take your business to the next level. Here's the challenge. Book a call with us. Let's discuss how your advertising can be a game changer that your business needs. The link is in the description below. Don't let missed opportunities hold you back. It's time to invest in your success and let your business thrive. Thank you for joining me today. If you're up for the challenge, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And remember, the link to book a call is waiting for you below. I'm Simanye signing off, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.